Hello viewers, welcome to you all, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how can you solve your Instagram notification is not working. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how can you solve or how can you fix your Instagram notification. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you need to launch on your Instagram application, then go to your profile on the bottom right corner, and after that you need to tap on the top right corner three line menu bar option. Here you can see, so just tap on this and now you get a option on the bottom, settings option on the down bottom. So just tap it, and after that you get a option here, notification option you can find. So just open this and then pushes pass all, and if you pass all you cannot get any option, any notification. So you need to enable disable it, and after that if you have any problem on your settings like that, just tap on post stories and comment, and there have a option. First option is like, and if you turn off you didn't get any notification from like, so just select everyone, and then like and comments on photo of you, so just from everyone select, and then photos of you from everyone comment. If you turn off you didn't get any notification from comment, so just enable from everyone, and then comment like pins of it, and fast post and stories everyone. That's it. Then in this way you can you can fix it, you can solve it, and then go to follow and following and followers. You can look carefully these settings carefully. If your settings is others, so make sure it's similar like my notification settings. So if your every settings is okay, then your notification is solved, you can get notification on your Instagram. So hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.